Good morning, dear students. This is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, STSTPS AP Genco NEL2. In this video, we are going to learn about logarithms related to first chapter Real Numbers Class 10. John Napier is best known as the discoverer of logarithms, which are used to help with mathematical calculations. He is also credited with bringing the decimal point into common use. Table of contents: history, definition, properties, examples, application, history. John Napier introduced concept of logarithms in the 17th century. Later it was used to by many scientists, navigators, engineers, etc. for performing various calculations, which made it simple. In simple words, logarithms are the inverse process of the exponentiation. In this article, we are going to have a look at the definition, properties, and examples of the logarithms in detail. What is logarithm? A logarithm is defined as the power to which number must be raised to get some other values. It is the most convenient way to express large numbers. In general, if a power x equal to n, then we write x is equal to log n base a, where a greater than 0 and a not equal to 1 and n greater than 0 and an belongs to R. That means the logarithm of a positive real number a with respect to base b, a positive real number not equal to 1. Properties of logarithm. First property, product. Log mn base a is equal to log m base b plus log n base b. Example, log 9x base 3 is equal to log 9 base 3 plus log x base 3. Second property, quotient. Log m by n base b is equal to log m base b minus log n base b. Example, log 4 by 5 base 1 by 4 is equal to log 4 base 1 by 4 minus log 5 base 1 by 4. Third property, power. Log m power p base b is equal to p into log m base b. Example, log 8 power x base 2 is equal to x into log 8 base 2. Fourth property, equality. If log m base b is equal to log n base b, then m equal to n. Example, log 3x minus 4 base 8 is equal to log 5x plus 2 base 8. So 3x minus 4 is equal to 5x plus 2. Some more properties of logarithms. To calculate a logarithm, you should convert into exponential form. Logarithmic form, y is equal to log x base b. Here y is equal to exponent, b is equal to base, and the exponential form b power y is equal to x. Here b is equal to base, y is equal to exponent. Now we are going to discuss some examples. Convert into logarithmic form. 16 is equal to 4 square. Then convert into logarithmic form. That implies log 16 base 4 is equal to 2. Convert into exponential form. Log 1 by 8 base 2 is equal to minus 3. It is convert into exponential form. 2 power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 8. Practice conversion for you. Find the value of log root 5 base 5. Solution. Let log root 5 base 5 is equal to x. It is convert into exponential form. Root 5 is equal to 5 power x. That implies 5 power 1 by 2 is equal to 5 power x. We know that bases are equal, then exponents also equal. So x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the value of log root 5 base 5 is equal to 1 by 2. Now, we are going to discuss exercise 1.5 problems. I will explain second question and remaining you can practice. Write the following expressions as log n and find their values wherever possible. Second question, log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Solution, log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2, that is equal to log 16 by 2 base 2. We know that log m base a minus log n base a is equal to log m by n base a, that is equal to log 8 base 2. Let log 8 base 2 is equal to x. It is convert into exponential form. That implies 2 power x equal to 8. That implies 2 power x equal to 2 cube, where 2 cube is equal to 8. We know that bases are equal, then exponents also equal. So x is equal to 3. Therefore, the value of 16 log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2 is equal to 3. We will discuss some more problems of this exercise in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.